Not long ago, building credit meant loans, credit cards, and tough approvals. Today, a new wave of apps promise to hack your score in months. But are they the future of credit or just another trap in disguise? Hey, I'm Stephanie Adams, an Accredited Financial Counselor, here to give you real-world money tips I wish someone gave me years ago. Let's rewind. For decades, the only way to build credit was going through your bank. Personal loans, car notes, secured credit cards that required cash up front. Then came the online disruptors, companies like Self, which let you build credit with a savings first model. Fast forward to today, and we've entered the app era. Digital platforms promising instant signups, no bank lines, and the chance to build credit with just a few taps on your phone. Here's how credit builder apps work today. You download the app and set up a small subscription or a loan, often $5 to $25 a month. You make automatic payments which get reported to one or more of the credit bureaus. Those payments create a record of on-time history, the biggest factor in your score. Some apps even add extras like cash back or debit-style spending, but the main promise is simple. Build credit without borrowing big. But here's the catch. These apps aren't free. Some charge subscription fees that drain your budget. Others only report to one bureau, which leaves a gap in your profile. And if your payment fails, even once, it could backfire, lowering your score instead of raising it. So where do these apps fit? Think of them as a starter tool, useful for building payment history, but limited compared to secured cards or loans. They help you start the journey, but they can't replace the bigger tools that shape your credit long term. Credit builder apps are like a ladder's first rung. They'll get your feet off the ground, but you need sturdier steps, like credit cards and installment loans, to climb higher. Use them as a starting point, not a final solution. I'm Stephanie Adams, and if you're ready to take control of your money, stick around for more tips.